Okay, in this video we will discuss midpoint on a number line and a coordinate plane. So we have discussed the point on a number line. So if you have line segment AB and there's a point C which is partitioning this line in the ratio of A ratio B, then what will be the coordinate for this point C? What will be the coordinate for point C? Yep. If this is your x1, this is your x2. What will be bx1 ax2 over a plus b, right? Now when we say the midpoint, it means this point is exactly in the middle. This point is exactly in the middle. So let me just redraw this and kind of here. Now here the ratio A ratio B is 1 ratio 1 because this will be same distance. AC will be equal to CB. Segment AC will be equal to segment CB. That's what is the meaning of midpoint. Okay. Now here I will just simply put the values of A and B as 1 and 1. B is 1, A is also 1. Similarly here, A is 1, B is also 1. Now 1 multiply x1, 1 multiply x2, 1 plus 1. So that will be your coordinate, right? Now let me write one question. Okay, let me write one question and you guys answer. If this point is -2 and this point is 8, what will be the midpoint? What will be the midpoint C? Yes. Just tell me the answer. 2? Come on. Yep, I'm waiting here. Okay, then in the video you guys can fast forward it, okay? 3? Okay. Anybody else? Come on, guys. Look. 1. My goodness, look at this. This is 2. This is 8. 8 plus 2 is? So this is -2 here, right? So x1 is? X1 is? -2. 5. Wow. 5. Okay. X2 is? 8. Divide 2. -2 plus 8? -2 plus 8? 6. 6 divide 2 will give you 3. So your answer is right, but just don't jump to the conclusion, okay? So here midpoint is 3. Everybody understood? Any problem? Okay, cool. Next question then. If you have a number line PQ, you have a point in the middle, let's say R. Find the x coordinate of R, or you can tell me the midpoint of this, where P is, let's say, -10 and this is -5. Come on. I don't have it, so you have to check it out. -7.5. Okay, let's check this again. X1 plus x2 over 2. That's our formula, right? Okay. Now it is very simple. X1 is? Okay. X2 is? So plus minus, that will be -5 over 2. -15 over 2, that will give you -7.5. All right. This is very easy. Now, if you have a coordinate plane, let's say if you have a coordinate plane, so I will draw the rough drawing. This is your x-axis and this is your y-axis. Let's say if you have a line segment here, let's say A, B, and you have somewhere C here, okay? Okay, let me not take it here or else, let me redraw it. B. So let's say somewhere here, okay? It's a rough graph. So this coordinate will be, x will be negative. So let's take -3 and this is also negative. Here the y x coordinate, let's say 4, and y coordinate is, let's say, somewhere 7, okay? Now if you have to find the midpoint for this, let's say midpoint, you need to find x coordinate of point M and y coordinate of point M, right? So do you remember to find, if you have the ratio A ratio B, if the point M is partitioning line segment in the form of A ratio B, what was the formula? Okay, just formula. I'm asking formula. Okay, here I have taken A and B. Bx1 right. And what will be y coordinate? Yes, Abdullah. Yep. Right. 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 Okay, A plus B or B plus A, no problem. Good. Now again, it's a midpoint, so A ratio B will be 1 ratio 1, right? And now just simplify it, x1 plus x2 over 2, and this formula will be y1 plus y2 over 2. Any problem in the formulas? All cool, right? So now you just have to remember, if somebody asks you the midpoint is x1 plus x2 over 2, y1 plus y2 over 2. That's it. Good? Okay. Now you have a question here. Now try to solve it and tell me your x coordinate and y coordinate. Okay, so you guys told me x coordinate is and y coordinate is? Okay, let's check this now. Now let's just substitute the values here. So if I'm taking, let's say, x1, y1, and this is your x2, y2. Simply substitute the values here. Negative 3 plus 4 over 2, that will give you 1 over 2. So yep, that is 0.5. And this is y1, right? Negative 3 plus 7 over 2. This will give you 4 over 2. So your answer is 2, right? So your answer is right, 0.5 and 2. That's how we will solve problems on the basis of midpoint on a number line and a coordinate plane. That's it for this video.